Hi there, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how to clear DNS cache in Google Chrome on Android mobile. First, open Google Chrome, go to address bar, type chrome:/net-internals/#DNS. Simply press go. It will take you to this page. In the right side, you will find DNS lookup and host resolver cache. There is a button called clear host cache under host resolver cache. Tap on this button. By tapping, it will clear DNS cache in Google Chrome. Simply close the browser, open it. DNS cache will remove by following this trick. By clearing DNS cache, you may resolve website loading issue, improve security, speeds up browsing. It even helps resolve network errors and enhances privacy. So it is essential for a user to clear DNS cache from time to time. That's it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.